The world around us is evolving at an unbelievable pace, fueled by rapid technological advancements from AI driven automation to blockchain security and quantum computing, breakthroughs to the limitless potential of 5G and IoT. The digital revolution is reshaping industries, businesses, and everyday life. In this era of transformation, adaptability is the key to survival. Enterprises are integrating AI powered solutions to enhance efficiency, while industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing are leveraging big data, cloud computing, and machine learning to make smarter, data driven decisions. WebGL is one such advancement of technology that has helped UX UI designers generate impressive designs, and today's topic for discussion is regarding this WebGL. So, Tulika, what is this WebGL all about?
WebGL is a powerful JavaScript API that enables 2D and 3D graphics in rendering directly in the web browsers without the required of any external plugins.
Okay, now the question comes, what makes it more convenient to be used in places of OpenGL?
WebGL utilizes the GPU or the graphic processing unit for efficient hardware accelerated rendering, making it ideal for interactive visualizations, gaming, simulations, and advanced web applications. It is a very nice place where we can learn computer graphics. It is very much identical to its parent API, that is the OpenGL.
Now the question comes, what makes it more convenient to be used in place of OpenGL?
When both WebGL and OpenGL are used for rendering graphics, WebGL offers several advantages that makes it more convenient to be used in place of OpenGL.
WebGL is better than OpenGL in many ways. WebGL runs directly in the browser, whereas OpenGL requires manual installations of drivers and is dependent on platform compatibility. WebGL is supported on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices, making it more versatile. On the other hand, OpenGL is platform dependent and may require adjustment for different operating systems. WebGL is based on JavaScript and HTML5, allowing seamless integration with CSS, web APIs, and WebAssembly. OpenGL, however, requires C, C++ programming, making development more complex and less web-friendly. WebGL runs in a sandboxed environment, reducing the risk of malware and system crashes, but OpenGL interacts directly with hardware, which poses security risks if not properly managed. WebGL are hosted on the web, so users don't need to download or install anything, whereas OpenGL based applications often require standalone installations and updates, adding complexity.
So Tulika, gaming is a popular industry among teenagers nowadays. What part does WebGL play in this?
So, WebGL is playing a great role. It is acting as a game changer in the gaming platform. So, people are nowadays, like the teenagers, are mostly engaged in this, in this gaming kind of things. So, WebGL, it provides an interactive environment where people can engage in gaming without any external plugins or any external sources to be required to download it. Okay, so it is playing a very nice role in that, and people are nowadays using more and more games, and they are also incurring a lot of money through this business who are running this gaming thing. So yeah.
So how does the GPU help WebGL in processing?
So WebGL heavily relies on GPU, for accelerating graphics and making the web application smoother so that they can be used for further versions. And it makes it also visually very interactive, and it makes it very smooth fast as compared to the native apps that when in the traditional times we weren't using WebGL. So in nowadays, like after the introduction of this WebGL, we are kind of like getting interact with the newer version of all the things, and yeah.
Innovation to life without the need for additional plugins. This web is no longer just a space for information. It's now a canvas for immersive digital experiences. Hope you liked the video and found it informative. Do not forget to like, subscribe, press on bell notification for more such videos and updates, and comment down the views below.